Tara Devi Temple, situated on the western side of Shimla, boasts of an excellent location with beautiful valleys around the hill. It is one of the most famous sightseeing places in Shimla and has a divine atmosphere that attracts locals as well as a huge crowd of tourists during festive seasons. Surrounded by a mesmerizing view of the lofty mountains, pine forests and lush greenery, the tranquil setting of the temple makes you forget everything about your day-to-day worries of life. Located only 11 kilometers drive away from the city center, this religious place is not less than a paradise for experience seekers. Widely recognized for its heritage and spiritual value, the Tara Devi Temple offers holy vibes to the devotees of Goddess Tara. Here you can soak up the eminent beauty, breathe in the clean and fresh air, or simply take a stroll to explore the peaceful countryside at its backdrop. And if you wish to relax and rejuvenate your senses under the shadow of nature, it is a perfect place to visit during summers and winters. Tara Devi Temple was built by Sen dynasty kings sometime around 1766 AD. The fort of Giri Sen is still there in Juga. According to a story which traces back to 250 years, the king Bhupendra Sen from the Sen dynasty had once come to this area along with a small idol of his personal family deity in the form of a gold locket. He used to wear this ornament in his upper arm. While hunting in and around the dense jungle of Juggar, he forgot his path to go back home and fell asleep. While sleeping, he dreamt that Goddess Tara and her gatekeepers Lord Hanuman and Bhairav requested him to unveil them to people. Immediately, the Maharaja decided to fulfill the desires of Ma Tara and donated about 50 bighas of land to construct the temple. Thus, a temple was built there with a wooden idol of the deity for people to pray and seek blessings. Later, King Balbir Sen had a vision of Goddess Tara where she asked him to install the temple on Tarav hilltop. The king did the same and also erected an idol of goddess made up of Ashtadhatu, a mix of 8 precious elements, which was installed in a grand ceremony in the year 1825. Since then, the members of Sen dynasty follow the old traditions and worship their family goddess on the Asthami day every year. The idol was carried on an element named Shankar. On the other hand, as per Shakti Mahabhagavat, she is the one who created first seed from which the entire universe took birth in the form of Lord Narayana. The legend begins with the churning of the ocean between the Devas and Asuras. Lord Shiva drank the poison that was created from the churning of the ocean, in the process turning his throat blue and earning him the epithet Neelkantha, thus saving the world from destruction, but fell unconscious under its powerful effect. Mahadevi Durga Parvati appeared as Ma Tara and took Shiva on her lap. She suckled him, the milk from her breasts counteracting the poison, and he recovered. This story is reminiscent of the one in which Shiva stops the rampaging Kali by becoming an infant. Seeing the child, Kali's maternal instinct comes to the fore, and when she was feeding him her breast milk, Shiva sucked her rage out while sucking the milk. In both cases, Shiva assumes the position of an infant in the goddess' lap. Tara goddess in Hinduism and Buddhism is second of the 10 great wisdoms called Mahavidyas and is known to be a source of all energies. The word Tara is derived from Sanskrit root tar, which means to cross. The word Tara also means star in many Indian languages. The goddess Tara has had many incarnations now and far into the past. Her name is linked to many other goddesses from around the world. She was the star woman of the Cherokees. Tara means star in Sanskrit. She became the earth to feed her people. She was the goddess of the Druids. The great hill of the Druids, Tara, bears her name. Her name is linked to the Tar, a group of goddess women of ancient Finland who were wise and powerful. She was worshipped by ancient Hindus as an aspect of Kali. She is living goddess today to the Hindus of the Tantric tradition. She is one of the 10 Mahavidyas or mothers, manifestations of the Devi. She is the most beloved deity of the Tibetan Buddhists. She is very similar to Kuan Yin of the Chinese Buddhist tradition. She is a goddess of compassion. She is also similar to Parvati of today, with her many different forms, both friendly and fearsome. Kali is considered to be an aspect of Parvati. There is a form of the goddess Tara in every culture. It is believed that she will assume as many forms on earth as needed by the people. In all aspects, she loves and helps the people of the earth in every way she can. There are 2 temples of goddess Tara in India. Times Tara Temple, West Bengal. Times Tara Devi Temple, Shimla. The temple has the backdrop of the Himalayas. There are forests on one side and roads on another. It is believed that goddess Tara was brought to the lap of Himalayas in Himachal from West Bengal in the 18th century. According to some people, being the goddess of stars, she watches over everyone from the skies and showers her blessings. The temple was rebuilt in 2018 after 3.5 years of work and at a cost of over 6 crore rupees. The wood carving on the temple is kept as close to original, Pahari, style. The Rohru artisans, using the ancient technique, worked on the wood carving whereas the Kinnori artisans contributed to the silver work. Precious metals like gold and silver were also used in the decoration. The statue of Tara Devi was also installed on 20th July 2018 in the presence of 90 priests. Idols of Saraswati and Kali are also installed in the temple. There is a temple of Batug Bhairav nearby. The milestone gate is 2.5 kilometers away. People who want to organize religious feast wait for 6 years for their turn. During festivals like Dashehra and Durga Ashtami, a huge feast is arranged which is attended by a large number of devotees. It becomes very difficult to visit the temple during snowfall and rainy season. The temple is open for visit from 7 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. on all days. It takes around 2 hours to visit the place. Around 12,000 to 15,000 devotees visit the temple on weekends and there is no entry fee. As you leave Tara Devi Temple, may its divine blessings accompany you, filling your life with peace and prosperity. Let the serenity and sacredness of this holy place inspire and guide you on your journey. Until we meet again at this spiritual heaven, may your heart remain touched by its grace and tranquility.